Here I have a function that does some stuff. I call this function and I get a return value. But I don't care about this value. I'm not going to use it. However, if I don't use the variable, IntelliSense will tell me that this is an unnecessary assignment. Also, it looks bad. One solution is just to remove the variable completely, but a better solution is to use the discard variable. Because this tells the future you and other developers that looks at the code that you know this function returns a value, but you don't care about it. Your intentions becomes clear. Here's another example. You want to see if this string contains an integer. But again, you don't really care about the output, you only care about if it's true or not. So instead of needing a variable that you will not use, we simply discard.